The National Testing Agency's decision to go ahead with the NEET and JEE exams has caused a massive uproar, with students across the country planning a protest from their homes tomorrow, demanding postponement or cancellation of exams given the alarming rise in the coronavirus cases. From 8 am, students across India eligible for the exams are set to raise black flags from homes, tie black bands on arm or forehead, wear black mask, turn their profile pictures black to protest against the decision. Several opposition party leaders as well as state governments have also asked the central government to do a rethink on the exams as cases continue to surge. Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Jitendra Avadh said that Maharashtra Cabinet decides to stand by students giving NEET and JEE. The exams should be postponed. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia today reiterated his demand that medical and engineering entrance exams should be postponed and the central government to work an alternative method of selecting students. The Karnataka government today announced that all the colleges in the state will reopen from the month of October. Deputy Chief Minister and Higher Education Minister Ashwath Narayana CN said that the academic year for various degree courses will start from September with online classes and offline classes will be conducted starting October. The Education Department is waiting for guidelines from the central government on conducting offline classes as well as few degree exams to be conducted in the month of September. All colleges will start in October and students are expected to attend classes in person. Congress Interim President Sonia Gandhi, who on Wednesday convened a meeting of opposition chief ministers on several issues, said that the centre's refusal to not pay GST compensation to the states was nothing short of betrayal. In the meeting of the Standing Committee of Finance on August 11, the Finance Secretary of the government stated that the centre is not in a position to pay the mandatory GST compensation of 14% for the current year. This refusal is nothing short of betrayal on the part of Modi government, she said. The virtual meeting was convened to evolve a collective stand ahead of the August 27th GST Council meeting. The GST Council on Thursday will discuss the issue of grant of compensation to the states for the loss of revenue due to COVID-19 pandemic. Finance Minister of all the states are part of the GST Council, where the opposition chief ministers are expected to jointly demand from the government a grant of 14% GST compensation to them. The Supreme Court on Wednesday sought the government's stand on waiving interest on loan repayment during the moratorium period and said it cannot hide behind the Reserve Bank of India. Reacting sharply to the centre's comment that the move would hit businesses and banks, the Supreme Court said this happened because you locked down the entire country. The Supreme Court has also asked the government to make its stand clear by September 1 on a petition that asks that interest on loan repayment in the moratorium during the COVID-19 lockdown period must be cancelled. The court said that the centre had not clarified its stand even though it has ample powers under the Disaster Management Act to grant a waiver. Fugitive diamantaire Mehul Choksi on Wednesday approached the Delhi High Court against Netflix's upcoming web series Bad Boys Billionaires India, seeking postponement of the release date. A single judge bench of the High Court, presided over by Justice Navin Chawla, after hearing brief arguments, posted the matter for further hearing on August 28th. The adjournment came in as senior advocate Neeraj Kishan Kaul, appearing for Netflix, sought time to go through the petition and seek instructions.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.